Anyone who has tried to take a photo in auto mode with any camera quickly realizes that the results aren't great because you need to adjust the camera. So a few years ago, GoPro opened the door to full manual control and also opened the door to control the camera underwater using QR codes. So that was a huge difference underwater because I could share my settings with the students underwater, and you can set the camera in 1 second. The camera is ready for wide angle or for macro tiny stuff, or for a backlight lighting scene, or for you can change the wide angle. If the scene seems too blue, you know exactly how to set the camera for the perfect shot. So people have to know this, and I knew how to do it. I just have to put a course together to teach people how to take advantage to make the most of the GoPro. We will start with the basic videography concepts, so everybody has a foundation where they can understand the next lessons. So even people who don't know anything about videography, not even underwater photography, just videography, they will know everything about the ISO, the shutter speed, the frames per second, all those, the white balance, all those things. We need to learn that. And from there, we will explore all the gear, from housings, aluminum housings, macro lenses for tiny stuff, like things this small, or viewfinder and wide angle lenses. Everything we will take a look to all the equipment. We will understand why the lights are a special shape for video. So we will learn all the details about the gear. For people who just want to keep it simple and they just want to enjoy the diving, the GoPro is capable of getting like 80% of the scenes perfectly with just some basic settings. But for those who want to have 100% success and have control in every situation, no matter what the light is, no matter what the speed of the action or whatever, they will learn how to adjust the camera. And if they want to get more creative with lighting, with backlighting or snoots for the macro, they will learn that as well. So there will be something for everyone. Some people, they will settle for some basic adjustments just to get nice blue and sharp images. And some, they will want to have that extra knowledge. So at the end of the week, people will have the knowledge, and from then on, they will have just perfect video. Well, even if Cayman has in general perfect conditions for diving and for underwater video, like clear water, calm, warm, within Cayman, East End has the best preserved reefs. And it's out of the crowds, it's away from the crowds, and the setup we have in Ocean Frontiers is just perfect. So just being by ourselves in the nice coral reefs, the most preserved corals in the island, where you have more life and you have special dives like the shark, maybe the chance of going to Little Cayman. I know it's difficult weather because of the waves, but we will have everything available for us. Of course, the program that Ocean Frontiers has, they are preparing the best dives at the best time of the day, everything. So we will have the perfect setup. We will have a pool to practice. We have, of course, the accommodation right next to the dive boat, so it can't be any better than that.